Okay, today is the 6th day of my daily practice of visualization in this path of healing my chronic pain in my back, inspired in the book of Norman Deutsch. And yeah, I have some steps that are sounds like a benefit of this practice. For 2 days I'm using just one pill of what's the name of the one pill of the pain medicine, and I'm not using gibberellin in the last 2 days also. So I think we have some progress happening. And I have to add this daily practice not only about visualization, but also about recording videos in YouTube. So today I have this inspiration or this thought that is it valuable what I'm doing right now, these recordings and the kind of content that I share here, my experience on during the visualization, is it valuable for people that might watch these videos? And yes, I'm not sure, and I don't have to have the answer right now, but I'm sharing this question. And if anytime you come to this video and want to hear more about some aspect of this practice, please let me know here in the comments. And okay, the visualization process is becoming easier. It's taking less time too, and it's making changes, not only changes in my pain situation, but step by step I feel like I'm discovering or rediscovering a more mature way of spirituality, my own way of spirituality. So yeah, this is new for me, and inspired by the music during the visualization, and inspired by this movement of becoming more conscious about my body, about my brain, about myself. Some movements are happening in my mind, and at the same point I'm reading some a different kind of books, and they are inspiring me in this direction too. So yeah, some changes are happening here, and yeah, this has a big value to me. So do I want to share this story? I think it's not the right time yet. Since my birth, I was always in this spirituality environment, and at some point in my journey I had this desire to disconnect a little bit of this transcendent world and to put my feet in this material world, especially after the birth of my first kid. And since then, spirituality is feeling just a very tiny part of my time and of my life, different of what it used to be. So I don't know what will happen, but something are moving here, and I believe this process of pain and of this disease and this self-discovering process is part of a big change that's happening in my mind, and I'm using it to support me in this uh, new moment of my life. So yeah, that's it for today. Please, if it makes sense to you, subscribe to the channel, and you can leave your comment and say in which manner is it inspiring you or uninspiring you, and how can I be useful for you too. Okay, bye bye, see you.